Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
Question number 1. The reason for certain animals getting endangered are hunting, pollution of environment, natural calamities, or option D, all of these. Reason for certain animals getting endangered are. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Question number 2. The phenomena of entry of toxic chemicals into food chain and more concentrated at higher trophic levels is called as biological control, biomagnification, algal bloom, or red tide. The correct answer is option B, biomagnification. Question number 3. The endangered animal of the following is. Following are the four animals given. You have to tell which one is the endangered. Crow, parrot, red jungle fowl, or cock. The correct answer is option C. The red jungle fowl is an endangered animal. Question number 4. The Red Data Book maintains a record of plants and animals present in whole world, relationship between man and biosphere, plants and animals which are known to be endangered, or option D, forest wealth in the whole world. Red Data Book maintains a record of. The correct answer is option C. It maintains a record of plants and animals that are known to be endangered. Question number 5. Planting trees in a deforested land is known as afforestation, deforestation, silviculture, or sericulture. Planting of trees in a deforested land is known as. Correct answer is option A, that is afforestation. Question number 6. The species with thin population localized within a restricted area is said to be rare species, threatened species, endangered species, or vulnerable species. Correct answer is option A. These are called as rare species that are found only in some restricted area. Question number 7. Which of following does not form a part of evil quartet? Overexploitation, alien species invasion, co-extinction, reforestation. The correct answer is option D, reforestation. Question 8. The total number of biosphere reserves in our country are 90, 14, 20, or 60. Total number of biosphere reserves in our country. The correct answer is option B. There are a total of 14 biosphere reserves in our country. Question number 9. Deforestation causes soil erosion, reduced rainfall, flood, all of these. The correct answer is option D. It causes all of these. Question number 10. In a national park, protection is given to entire flora, entire fauna, the plants and animals, or option D, the entire ecosystem. In national parks, protection is given to. The correct answer is option D. The entire ecosystem is protected in a national park. It is an example of in situ conservation. Question number 11. Afforestation should be done with exotic species, indigenous species, bamboos, eucalyptus. The correct answer is option B. Afforestation should be done with the indigenous species that are found in the area. Question number 12. Which is the organization responsible for maintaining the Red Data Book or the Red List, which contains the organisms which are endangered? IUCN, CITES, WWF, IBWL. Organization responsible for maintaining of Red Data Book. The correct answer is option A, that is IUCN. Question number 13. The tropical forests in India are located in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Andamans, Orissa. Tropical forests in India are located in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Andamans, Orissa. The correct answer is option C, Andamans. Question number 14. The Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is situated in Kerala, Karnataka, Gujarat or Rajasthan. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary situated in. Correct answer is option D. It is situated in Rajasthan. Question number 15. The autumn coloration of leaves appears only in tropical region, evergreen plants, deserts, temperate deciduous plants. The autumn coloration of the leaves appear only in. Correct answer is option D. It occurs in the temperate deciduous plants. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.